Hello, today we will learn how to create a text string in 3 different ways. Actually, this is very important as sometimes you can't choose in which format you have to work. Let's introduce a few variables so that we can work with them. Name Guido and age 67. In the first case, we need to use concatenation and convert into str to create a string with data. It will look like this. Let's print our string. Now we will look at f string. To indicate that it will be an f string, we write the letter f and then open the quotes. When we need to use a variable, we write it in curly brackets. Let's output our string. In Python Basic we learn how to use assert. Let's compare our two strings. It worked. So the strings are identical. You can also do various action in an f string. Let's add 10 years to the age and make the name in uppercase. We can write both variables and values. Let's output the result. F-string, by the way, works from Python 3.6 and above. What should you do if you come across a project with legacy code where they use an older version of Python? Of course, you can use concatenation to form a string. But let me show you another way to form a string called by format string. Just write a string and where the variables will be substituted, put curly brackets. Call the format method and pass the variables. Let's display. Let's compare the f string and format string if they are identical. Everything works. So now we know how to write the same string in 3 different ways. Congrats on another step forward. Subscribe to our channel, like and write comments. It will help make more quality content for you.